The study was conducted to identify parenting attitudes that are indicative of parental acceptance towards their special need child and how to sustain that acceptance. It is focused on how to help parents cultivate accepting attitudes that will enable them to deal with the reality that their child indeed has special needs. To advocate for children with special needs is the driving motivations during my research. Parents who do not accept their child as he or she is will not be able to make appropriate decisions for their child. So there is a mismatch between genuine needs of the special needs child and also the unrealistic expectations imposed by the parents. And this mismatch can certainly lead to very undesirable outcomes that will impede growth in their child. Okay, I really want to take this opportunity to thank the conference, the organizer for this conference. Indeed, it was a very wonderful conference. As I can see, the participants, they come from different countries and also quite a diverse cultural backgrounds. And each presentation was shown impartial appreciation to encourage the presenters. And the whole convention, the whole conference is very smooth. Yeah. And I can see that the rundown of the conference, okay, is very smooth, and the participants are informed in advance about the certain topics, for fruitful and meaningful discussions. Yeah, I faced a lot of challenges. The participants of my research, they are mainly Malaysian Chinese. Okay. So to most Chinese, having a special need child is a disgrace to the family, to most of them. So we have a saying, the saying that goes like, wash your dirty linens at home. Okay, yeah. So they stay low to avoid attracting unnecessary attentions. Thus, very few parents are willing to identify themselves as parents of special need children, and that makes my research challenging because I don't have many willing participants to take part. Okay. So yeah, so to get them to agree to be interviewed is actually the toughest challenge I have faced in my research journey. I will advise them to always remain humble, yeah, and dare to admit that you simply don't know certain things, okay, and also don't be afraid of making mistakes, because we are here to learn in the first place. And another important advice that I think all of us should can benefit from it is, at times we feel that our research has come to an dead end and not knowing where to go. But it's exactly at these critical moments that you still need to discipline yourself to write something, to ask something, to read something, and to ask someone for help, that is anything that is related to your research. Okay, who knows? This can turn into the light bulb moment. Yeah, they give you inspirations to continue with your academic pursuit.